now race number 5. The favorite, Beyond Good, Final Judgment. Final Judgment. Now finally inside, all set now, ready to race. Race number 5 here. Sutherland Clubs, Leisure Park, Nai, Cavite. And the race is on. One Bahamas from the outside, rushing up is Euromax. It's Euromax moving up down on the inside. Final Judgment. It's now Final Judgment. Rushing up is One Bahamas. Euromax, Dragon May on the further outside is Bahala Na. It's Final Judgment by Hapalan, followed by One Bahamas on the outside is Euromax. It's Final Judgment, Golden Arasi. In between runners, One Bahamas. Bahala Na racing in 4 and getting closer. Euromax racing in 5th by Daral 6, Dragon May. And Beyond Good racing in 7th position by about 4 lengths alongside Amanda, Senor Bon, and Buko Juice as they race the corner. Bahala Na this time by Hapalan, followed by Final Judgment. Euromax on the outside, Golden Arasi as they race the last 200. Bahala Na by Hapalan. Euromax is on the outside, and Final Judgment. It's now Euromax from the outside. Bahala Na, Final Judgment. Euromax, Bahala Na down on the inside, and finally Euromax, Bahala Na, Final Judgment, Dragon May, and Golden Arasi.